This is an introduction to quadratic curves. The equation is y equals to ax squared plus bx plus c, where a is not equals to 0. A cannot be 0 because when a is 0, the x squared term will not be there anymore, and the equation will be simplified to be a linear equation. For quadratic curves, there are actually two types of curves. The one on the left is what we see the shape as a sad face, and the one on the right is where we see the shape to be a happy face. For sad face, the coefficient of a will be less than 0. So for example, y equals to negative x squared will be having the shape on the left. And for the shape on the right, for it to be having that will be examples such as y equals to 2x squared plus 1, or y equals to 3x squared plus 5x minus 2, etc., where the coefficient of x squared is positive. On the two graphs, you will realize that I label the y-intercept with red coordinates. So you realize that y-intercept are basically points on the curve that cut the y-axis. For the coordinates that actually cut the x-axis, they are actually what we call by the x-intercepts, which I color coded using purple. And for the graph on the left, you'll realize that the highest point is what we call by the turning point, which can be further classified into maximum point, and the graph on the right is what we call by minimum point for the lowest point.